Understanding bears mentioning, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a common English phrase, bears mentioning. This phrase is often used in conversations and writing, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in and discover what it means and how to use it. Bears mentioning is a phrase used to indicate that something is important enough to be said or noted. When someone says that a fact or piece of information bears mentioning, they mean it's significant or relevant enough to bring up in the conversation. It's like saying, "This is worth mentioning," or "This deserves attention." To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, it bears mentioning that our sales have increased by 20% this quarter. 2. In a book review, it bears mentioning that the author won several awards for this novel. 3. In a casual conversation, it bears mentioning that the restaurant we're going to has the best burgers in town. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to highlight something noteworthy. There are several synonyms and variations you can use instead of bears mentioning. Some of these include worth noting, worth mentioning, should be mentioned, important to mention. Using these alternatives can add variety to your speech or writing while conveying the same meaning. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, bears mentioning, and how to use it effectively in English. Remember, it's a useful phrase to highlight important points in a conversation or writing. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.